We have to stop for a while and then start once again. And there we go. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, with batch 4 of the Scotch Development. And the first one there is to Mr. Nikhil Kumar, Executive Officer from Delhi Jal Board, Government of NCT of Delhi, Staff Welfare Cell for COVID-19 positive officials of Delhi government. Do we have Mr. Nikhil Kumar with us? Director General Police, Andhra Pradesh, Sir Gautam Sawang, response to COVID-19. Mr. Harshvardhan Raju, Deputy Commissioner of Police from Vijayawada, COVID-19 Emergency Response Team. We are back with Mr. Gautam Sawang for Disha Patrolling.
मेरे टाइम की बड़ा वेस्ट
Let me go back. Here we are.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Prashant, Deputy Commissioner of Police, receiving on behalf of Vijayawada City Police. Thank you very much for this award, sir. This is a proud moment for Vijayawada City Police. Thank you.
What was your project all about?
All about COVID-19 emergency response team. So as part of that, we have organized a special ambulance by Vijayawada City Police. We have all this telemedicine. We had an exclusive call center, and we had a welfare team exclusively dedicated for the welfare and especially this preventive measures of COVID. Thank you.
Thank you. Disha Centralized Command Control Room. Another one that goes to Gautam Sawang, Director General Police, Andhra Pradesh. Response to COVID-19, Mr. Sharad Agarwal, Director, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
अभियान करेंगे तो अभियान नहीं करेंगे मान करेंगे भीड़ में नहीं है वो बॉस वालों में चल रहा है इसको तो आवाज थोड़ी बढ़ाओ.
Now invite Mr. Mohit Garg, Superintendent of Police, Narayanpur District Police for response to COVID-19. Do we have Mr. Garg with us? Nupur Bishnoi, Assistant Commissioner of Police from Panchkula. Response to COVID-19.
Very good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes,
I would like to thank Scotch Group on behalf of the entire Panchkula Police Haryana for recognizing the efforts that we had put in during these unprecedented times of COVID. It was not only an opportunity for us to highlight the work done by us, but also a learning experience for us where we could gather understandings into how other organizations dealt with the issue. And once again, I would like to thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations. We are back to Andhra Pradesh, Director General Police, Gautam Sawang, Family Welfare Desk. We now invite Mr. Nand Kishore, Director, Horticulture cum Mission Director from Government of Bihar, Bagh Se Ghar Tak, Directorate of Horticulture. Well, Andhra Pradesh Police Department, Director General Police, Mr. Gautam Sawang for Automated Vehicle Alert System. EDSR, another one for Andhra Pradesh Police Department. Mr. Pankaj Nayan, Superintendent of Police, Crime Investigation Department, Haryana Police, Operation Samvedana.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Please go ahead.
Thanks, sir, for recognizing our effort in Operation Samvedna. It was a state-level project which was coordinated by CID branch of the state, and the project was about the peaceful migration of about 4.5 lakh migrants labor from Haryana to other states during COVID. And we had a dedicated team. We managed it, and apart from Scotch Awards, the project has been very well appreciated by state government, even the Prime Minister of India, and it has been published as a case study throughout IM also. So I thank you all for hearing me and giving the CID as a space in these awards also. Thank you so much.
Congratulations for doing a good job.
Thank you, sir.
So P.V. Sunil Kumar, Additional Director General of Police from Andhra Pradesh Crime Investigation Department. Project Operation Muskan COVID-19. Mr. Sunil Kumar. We can't hear you. Looks like there is an audio transmission issue.
This Operation Muskan is about rescuing street children in COVID situation. The specialty of this operation was in normal situation, we rescue street children and the child labor. That is no big deal. But when the COVID was in peak, so we ventured this rescue operation because street children are being exposed to the COVID virus, and so AP Police has taken them to the place of safety. We rescued them, about 5,000 children we have rescued, and we kept them in place of safety, that is state homes and various designated private COVID rescue homes. And for them we have given PPE kits and the multivitamin kits, etc. All of them have been given COVID tests, and those who need medical attention, they were given medical attention, and child labor were sent back to their native states. And after these 5,000 kits which we have recovered, most of them, that means about 4,500 children were restored to their parents. So this was well applauded, and I would like to say Andhra Pradesh is the only state where this rescue operation was conducted during COVID time. Thank you very much.
Excellent work, Mr. Sunil Kumar. Thank you very much for joining us, and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
The next one also goes to you. This is for E-Raksha Bandhan.
Yeah, E-Raksha Bandhan was a month-long program. This was launched on the day of Raksha Bandhan. So basically, during COVID time, most of the transactions have gone online, and online shopping, these Zoom conferences, whatever it may be, most of our interaction became online, and the cyber criminals have taken opportunity, and they are using these platforms, various platforms like various applications, even this COVID app, mobile app also they are being exploiting. So online shopping also, the frauds have gone high, and in the name of COVID also they have exploited these OTPs, etc. So this E-Raksha Bandhan is a program which aimed at mostly online safety, the web safety, and how to be safe while using your mobile phone, your smartphone, your computer, while attending the classes online. So what are the precautions to be taken? How to be safe? So various experts from all over the country have participated. This is basically E-Raksha Bandhan is a webinar which was telecasted through our web channel, YouTube web channel, that is 4S for you. 4S is stay safe, stay smart. 4S. So stay safe, stay smart for you. YouTube channel has been launched by CID Andhra Pradesh, which got the subscribers of about 1 lakh. And every week we are conducting a new program in continuation of E-Raksha Bandhan. This E-Raksha Bandhan is basically an awareness program, how to protect your password, how to save your password, how to use your credit card, how to use your debit card, what is OTP, from the to each and everything, the matrimonial frauds, so the Nigerian frauds, email frauds, everything was covered under E-Raksha Bandhan program. That went for 1 month, and every day the viewership was about for each episode, the viewership was about 50,000. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah. This is this is the 4S for you channel. 4S for you, just I have said, and E-Nirdesha, just before you have, I think you skipped it. E-Nirdesha. E-Nirdesha is the unique statement recording program. This is first time in India. E-Nirdesha is, I would like to say, this is the maiden venture in India. The AP, SC/ST Atrocities Act, Prevention of Atrocities Act, as well as POCSO Act, Prevention of Sexual Offences Against Children. These both acts made it mandatory to record the statements of witnesses under Section 160 CRPC to be video recorded. So it is mandatory. There is no option actually. So and various courts, even Chennai High Court, Delhi High Court, even Supreme Court of India said police to encouraging the police to record the 160 CRPC statements, 160, 161 CRPC statements, so that the witness won't go back, and the exactness of the statement, the correctness of the statement is preserved. So to that, we have developed a device especially, and we have developed a software which has specialized algorithms, and it has inbuilt hash value. Once the statement recording of the statement is over, the hash value is generated automatically, and it cannot be altered. The video cannot be altered, and the hash value cannot be altered. The hash value is displayed on the screen. Apart from that, date and time of recording a statement, a witness statement, location where it was recorded, who is recording, everything will be recorded on the device. Once the statement is recorded, and once he presses end button, save button, it cannot be altered, it cannot be changed. And this hash value is preserved, date and time is preserved, location is preserved, everything is preserved. It cannot be altered, nothing can be altered. So once it is done, the statement, whatever the witness said, the evidence can be transferred through a smart card, evidence can be transferred through a computer. Whatever you do, hash value doesn't change. And from a cloud also, pardon?
We will discuss all these projects as we move forward, as you are participating.
Thank you.
So thank you very much for sharing these initial details with us, and we'd love to listen to you and learn from you more. Thank you so much. So, moving forward, we have the next one being conferred on Ms. Meenakshi Rajgopal, Additional Chief Secretary and Project Director, Post Tsunami Sustainable Livelihoods Program in Tamil Nadu, response to COVID-19. Dr. Kalyan Rudra, Chairman, West Bengal Pollution Control Board for COVID-19 Waste Management. Mr. Nitin Ramesh Gokaran, Principal Secretary, Public Works Department from Uttar Pradesh, efforts to fight COVID-19. Do we have the gentleman with us or anybody representing him from the department?
Yeah, Rajiv Kumar Rai, Assistant Engineer, PWD.
Please. Would you like
I
to?
am represent to Mr. Nitin Ramesh Gokaran, Principal Secretary, PWD.
Would you like to talk?
I would like to thanks to Scotch. This for the semi-finalist Scotch Award of Merit.
Well, thank you so much for joining us and our congratulations.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
As well as Mr. Gokaran. Anuj Sharma, Commissioner of Police from Kolkata. Response to COVID-19. Mr. Sanjeev Ranjan, Chief Executive Officer from Gorakhpur Industrial Development Authority, Industrial Entrepreneurship Skill Development Program.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Can you explain in Hindi?
आप जैसा चाहें.
जी सर. गुड आफ्टरनून. स्कॉच को हम धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं कि गोरखपुर आर्ट है, वहाँ पे एक सेलेक्ट हुआ है. हम अपना 2 से 3 महीने लोगों ने खाना, हम लोग भी ऐसा काम किए, बट उसी टाइम पे ये आइडिया आया कि क्यों नहीं लोगों को रोजगार दे घर बैठे. तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया कि आप एक जगह आए, हम आपको एलईडी बल्ब दिवाली हम आपको सिखाएंगे. बनाने के बाद हम आपको, पहला मॉडल ये था सर कि हम लोग उनको रॉ मटेरियल देते थे, उनसे बनवा के वापस बाई बैक करते हैं. दूसरा मॉडल ये था, अगर कोई चाहता कि हमें अपनी शॉप खोलना है, अपनी दुकानें खोलनी है, अपना खुद का करना, तो हम उसको पूरा उसके नाम से हम प्रोडक्ट देते थे. तीसरा मॉडल ये था कि अगर कोई चाहता कि नहीं कि हमें अपना खुद का बिजनेस करना है, खुद का अपना ब्रांड से बेचने हैं, तो तीसरा मॉडल करते थे. ऐसे हम लोगों ने 400 लोगों को ट्रेनिंग दिया. इसमें 375 लोगों ने अपनी खुद की ब्रांडिंग और अपना खुद का प्रोडक्ट शुरू कर दिए हैं, जिसमें सर सबसे ज़्यादा स्कूल के टीचर्स थे, बाहर से विदेश से आए हुए लोग थे, जिसमें यूपी, बिहार और महाराष्ट्र के भी लोग आए थे हमारे यहाँ ट्रेनिंग लेने उस सेंटर पे. और इसके साथ साथ सबसे बड़ी चीज़ कि जो ट्रक ड्राइवर थे, जो माइग्रेट पर्सन थे, ये सबसे पार्टिसिपेट किए. और आज की डेट में सर हम लोग के पास कम से कम 10,000 से ज़्यादा लड़कियों का डिमांड्स हैं, रेगुलर हर बेस पे जा रही हैं. और हम लोगों ने क्या एक और किया सर कि देवरिया और गोरखपुर का एक ओडीओपी प्रोडक्ट है. गोरखपुर का टेराकोटा है और देवरिया का सजावटी आइटम. इसमें हम लोगों ने वैल्यू एडिशन किया, मिट्टी के दिए, गोबर के दिए तैयार करवाएं, और वो इस समय दिवाली में बहुत बड़े लेवल पर जाती हैं. चाइना से भी सस्ता हम लोगों ने लड़ियाँ तैयार किया सर, और झालरें, बल्ब से ये सब तैयार किए, और ये वो माइग्रेट लोगों ने किया सर, जिसमें हमारा
पैनल डिस्कशन है. ये आप हमारे अभी तक जितना आपने बताया
जी
बर्ड्स आई व्यू मिल जाता है कि आपने इंडस्ट्रियल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए, उसके डेवलपमेंट के लिए क्या क्या किया. उसके लिए आपको मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, आपको बधाई हो. उसी रिकॉग्निशन में आपको सेमीफाइनलिस्ट वॉच ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट भी दिया जा रहा है
जी.
आपको.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू. Mr. Mohammad Sana Akhtar, Superintendent of Police from Cooch Behar District Police, response to COVID-19. We have Mr. Akhtar with us.
Hello. I thank the Scott Group for this wonderful initiative. The response to COVID-19 project were basically based on the challenge we were facing during the COVID time. That started from lockdown till ensuring that all the immigrants have come in, and even when they went back, which included testing and all the police support that was needed at each of the places, including railway station and buses. We had a pretty decent system. I thank Scott Group for giving the award. Thanks a lot.
Well, thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations to you for doing the good work. Keep it up. And that was the end of our batch 4 of Scotch Order of Merit.